In this video, we're diving into the essentials of Google Ads, a powerful tool that can elevate your online presence and drive traffic to your business. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just curious about digital advertising, this tutorial is designed specifically for you. We'll cover everything from setting up your first campaign to understanding key metrics that will help you measure success. You'll learn how to create compelling ads, target the right audience, and optimize your budget effectively. Our goal is to make this journey engaging and informative, ensuring you feel confident in navigating Google Ads. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and skills to launch your own campaigns and start seeing results. So let's get started and unlock the potential of Google Ads together. Understanding Google Ads. Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google that allows businesses to create ads that appear on Google's search results and across its vast network of partner sites. Its primary role in online advertising is to connect businesses with potential customers actively searching for their products or services. One of the key benefits of using Google Ads is its ability to target specific audiences based on keywords, demographics, and interests, ensuring that your ads reach the right people at the right time. Additionally, Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click model, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it a cost-effective option for businesses of all sizes. For beginners, understanding Google Ads is crucial, as it empowers you to leverage this powerful tool effectively, driving traffic, increasing brand visibility, and ultimately boosting sales. Embracing Google Ads can significantly enhance your digital marketing strategy. Setting up your Google Ads account. Creating your Google Ads account is the first step toward launching successful advertising campaigns. To get started, visit the Google Ads website and click on the Start Now button. You'll need to sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the right account type, either a standard account for most businesses or a smart campaign for beginners looking for simplicity. Selecting the right type is crucial, as it determines the features and level of control you'll have over your ads. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll need to provide some essential information, including your business name, website URL, and billing details. Make sure to enter accurate information to ensure smooth ad management and payment processing. With these steps completed, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of Google Ads. Keyword research basics. Keyword research is a fundamental aspect of Google Ads that involves identifying the words and phrases potential customers use when searching for products or services. Keywords play a crucial role in determining your ad performance, as they directly influence how often your ads appear and how relevant they are to users. Selecting the right keywords can significantly enhance your click-through rates and conversions. To conduct effective keyword research, various tools are available, such as Google, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. These tools help you discover popular search terms, analyze competition, and gauge search volume. When selecting keywords for your campaigns, consider strategies like focusing on long-tail keywords, which are more specific and often less competitive, and using a mix of broad and exact match types to maximize reach. By investing time in keyword research, you can ensure your ads are seen by the right audience, ultimately driving better results for your business. Creating your first campaign. Now that you have your Google Ads account set up, it's time to create your first campaign. Google Ads offers several types of campaigns, including search, display, video, and shopping, each designed to meet different advertising goals. For beginners, starting with a search campaign is often recommended, as it targets users actively searching for your products or services. When setting up your campaign, it's essential to define clear goals, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. This will guide your strategy and help you measure success. Additionally, establish a budget that aligns with your goals. Consider starting with a modest daily budget to test the waters. Choosing the right ad format is also crucial. Text ads work well for search campaigns, while visually appealing banners are ideal for display campaigns. By carefully selecting your campaign type, goals, budget, and ad format, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful Google Ads campaign. Writing effective ad copy. Crafting compelling ad copy is essential for capturing attention and driving conversions. Effective ad copy typically includes a strong headline, engaging descriptions, and a clear call to action. The headline should be attention-grabbing and relevant to the keywords you're targeting, while the description should provide additional details that highlight the benefits of your product or service. For example, a headline like "Transform your home with our eco-friendly paint," paired with a description that emphasizes quality and sustainability, can resonate well with potential customers. To inspire your writing, look at successful ad copy examples from competitors or industry leaders. Notice how they communicate value and urgency. Additionally, A/B testing different ad variations is crucial for optimizing performance. By experimenting with different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action, you can identify which combinations resonate best with your audience, ultimately leading to higher click-through rates and conversions. Remember, effective ad copy is a blend of creativity and strategy. Understanding ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that enhance your Google ads, making them more informative and appealing to potential customers. By providing extra details, ad extensions can significantly improve your ad's visibility and click-through rates. There are several types of ad extensions available in Google Ads, including site link extensions, call extensions, location extensions, and structured snippet extensions. Site link extensions allow you to add links to specific pages on your website, while call extensions enable users to call your business directly from the ad. Location extensions show your business address, helping customers find you easily. The benefits of using ad extensions are clear. They provide more context, increase engagement, and can lead to higher conversion rates. For example, a restaurant ad with site link extensions to its menu and reservation page can attract more clicks than a standard ad. By leveraging ad extensions, you can create a more compelling and informative ad experience for your audience. Monitoring and analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your ad performance is crucial for optimizing your Google Ads campaigns. Key metrics to monitor include click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, CPC, and return on ad spend, ROAS. These metrics provide insights into how well your ads are performing and where improvements can be made. Google Ads offers robust reporting tools that allow you to view these metrics in real time. You can customize reports to focus on specific campaigns, ad groups, or keywords, making it easier to identify trends and areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you understand what's working and what isn't. Making data-driven decisions based on your analysis is essential for campaign success. For instance, if you notice a high CTR but low conversions, it may indicate that your ad copy needs refinement or that your landing page isn't effectively converting visitors. By continuously monitoring and adjusting your strategy, you can enhance your ad performance and achieve better results. Optimizing your campaigns. Optimizing your Google Ads campaigns is essential for improving ad performance and maximizing your return on investment, ROI. One effective technique is to regularly review and refine your keyword list. Remove underperforming keywords and focus on high-converting ones. Additionally, adjusting your bids based on performance can help allocate your budget more effectively. Ongoing testing and adjustments are crucial for success. Implement A/B testing for different ad copies, landing pages, and targeting options to determine what resonates best with your audience. This iterative process allows you to make informed decisions based on real data. When it comes to scaling successful campaigns, consider increasing your budget for high-performing ads while maintaining a close eye on performance metrics. You can also expand your reach by exploring new keywords or targeting additional demographics. By continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can enhance performance, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve greater success with your Google Ads efforts. Conclusion. In this video, we've covered essential aspects of mastering Google Ads, especially for beginners. We discussed the importance of setting up your account correctly, conducting thorough keyword research, and creating compelling ad copy that converts. We also explored the value of ad extensions, monitoring performance metrics, and optimizing your campaigns for better results. Mastering Google Ads is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their online presence and drive business growth. We encourage you to take action by applying these strategies and tips to your own campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up to stay updated on future content. Don't forget to explore our related videos and resources on our channel or website, where you can find more in-depth tutorials and insights to further your understanding of Google Ads. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.